Missing someone without you.
Okay, hello guys. Today my team and I will present to you how the company Floral Water Sdn Bhd in business transaction and source document. So our team already chose 4 source document, which is memo, invoice, official receipt, debit note and credit note. Let's watch the scenario about the source document. So what are you guys waiting for? Let's get started.
Okay, hello. Now we start. Did you guys know what about the source document? No? Okay, never mind. Let me explain. Source document are the document are used or received by a business had taken place. It can also be used by the business for future references or as proof of business activity. Besides, source documents are used to record transactions because they are original and show an objectivity report of business activity. UMMUL, a CEO, brought in 5,000 ringgit in form of cash into the business as additional capital. In this situation, the type of source document that we use is memo. By the way guys, what is memo? For your information, memo is also known as a memorandum. It is used as a note on certain business event that need to be announced. If no other document exists and is usually circulated internally within the business. In the memo transaction, we specify a diary of repayment and also record a personal information for inclusion in reports. Next, this situation shows that the memo of additional capital should be recorded in a general journal. Hello Mira. Yes boss. Can you help me to record the transaction of memo to the journal? Oh yeah, sure. Because I have some work to do lah. Okay. Okay, alright, thank you. Okay, most welcome. General journal is known as a general day book and it is used to record entries for business activity.
On 5 November, AIDA as a worker at company Floral Water Sdn Bhd wants to buy inventory in a credit transaction from Lebada Stila Sdn Bhd. Company Floral Water Sdn Bhd should next receive an invoice from Lebada Stila Sdn Bhd listing the items Company Floral Sdn Bhd both and the total price.
Hello Floral Water Sdn Bhd. Hello, I'm from Lebada Stila Sdn Bhd. Oh, okay. Can you come and get your invoice? By when? On 8 November. Are you free? Okay, I'm always free. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Welcome. Are you one of the worker company for Sdn Bhd?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay.
Yes. This is your company invoice.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
On 10 November, AIDA as a worker at company Floral Water sold units of inventory 400s by credit to Adam Advance Ltd. The next step is Floral Water Sdn Bhd needs to do is to issue an invoice to Adam Advance Ltd. In the invoice, Floral Water Sdn Bhd needs to write down all the details of the transaction.
Hello, Adam Advance Ltd. Hello. Okay, I'm from Floral Water Sdn Bhd. Can you come and get your invoice by today or by today? Oh, okay, I will. Thank you. Welcome.
Hello, hi guys. Do you know what is invoice?
No!
No? Okay, let me explain it to you guys. Invoice is document that used by a supplier to request payment of goods to deliver for customer in a credit transactions, and it is issued by supplier to the customer. Invoice have date, particulars, quantity, price per unit, and also total amount. What is book of prime entry of credit sales and credit purchases? Oh, books of prime entry for credit sales is sales journal.
A sales journal is also known as a sales daybook, and it is used to record credit sales of business inventory only. The credit sales of non-current assets cannot be recorded in the sales journal. It is written out from invoices issued to customers.
Oh, and book of prime entry for credit purchase is purchases journal.
A purchases journal is also known as a purchases daybook. It is used to record credit purchases of business inventory only. The credit purchases of non-current assets cannot be recorded in the purchases journal. It is written out from invoices received by the business.
Okay, I get it.
A customer buy goods in cash RM 18 ringgit. ALIFAH, as another worker at company Flora Water, issue an official receipt to the customer. Hello, welcome to the supermarket. What are you looking here? Do you need help?
Oh yes, I need a mineral water to bring into school. So there is stock in here.
Yes, we already stopped mineral water yesterday. So how many do you want?
Oh, I need 10 mineral water and please bring it back to the counter.
Alright, you wait here, yeah? So this is your mineral water, and please a receipt that amount you have to pay is stated here.
Here's the money.
Alright, thank you. Please come again. Official receipt issued by a supplier use acknowledged payment received from a customer, and it is used in cash transaction. It's normally used supplier to a customer. So, official receipt will be recorded in cash book. A cash book is used to record all cash transactions of a business. It looks more like the account with two sides, one debit, left side, and one credit, right side. All cash received either by check or money are recorded on the debit side, while all cash payment either by check or money are recorded on the credit side. A cash book consists of a 2-column cash book and a 3-column cash book.
On November 20, Nisa, as a worker at Flora Sdn Bhd, noticed that amount stated on invoice on 20 November is understated by RM100. Hello, I'm HANISAH from Flora Water Sdn Bhd. I just noticed that the amount that's stated on invoice that we give to you on 20 November is understated by RM100. It's supposed to be 500. Oh really? So what should I do right now? Don't worry, I will send you a debit note through WhatsApp later. I'm so sorry for our poor service. Okay, I will wait for you. Wait, what is debit note? Debit note is a document used by the supplier to notify the increase of certain amount of sales previously charged to the customer. The customer debt will be increased by the amount stated on debit note. The debit note contains the date, description of item, total value of additional amount charged, and the name of person in charge. The transaction will be stated on sales journal. The sales journal is a special journal that is used to record all credit sales. Every transaction that is entered in sales journal essentially results in a debit to account receivable account and a credit to sales account. And then on 20 November, Nisa received a complaint about the damaged goods and has intention to returning the new inventory. Hello, this is Flora Water. What can I help you? Hello, I'm ordered from you some inventory on 15 November. I just realized that some of the goods are damaged. I want to return it right now. I'm so sorry for hear that. Don't worry, miss. We will give you the new inventory with a credit note as soon as possible. I'm so sorry again. credit note is a document used by the supplier to notify the reduction of certain amount of sales previously charged to the customer. The customer debt will be reduced by the amount stated on the credit note. The credit note contains the date, description of item, total value of reduction, and the name of person in charge. The transaction will be in written artworks. The written artworks journal is used to record the return of goods by the business to the supplier. It is written out from the credit note received by the suppliers. The name of the company in the credit note is recorded and listed in the business purchases return journal. At the end of the month, the business will know the total returns made to their suppliers in that month.